Hi guys, welcome back. We are continuing our discussion on quadratic equations. Today we are going to talk about graphing a quadratic equation. I'm going to share my screen. A standard form of quadratic equation is given by y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, and a cannot be equal to 0. The simplest form of a quadratic equation is y equals x squared, where a is 1, b is 0, and c is 0. For the purpose of this video, we are going to consider the equations that open up or down, and we will look at one example, see how that graph looks like. For y equals x squared, here is what the graph looks like. This is the simplest form of a quadratic equation. This is what y equals x squared looks like. Let's take a look at another example. There are 3 steps to graphing a quadratic equation. The first one is identify if it opens up or down. Second step is find the vertex, which is given by h and k. And the third step is find roots. And let's take a look at an example. Y equals 2x squared minus 12x plus 16. If you compare this to our standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c, we can see that a is 2, b is negative 12, and c is 16. The first step is find out if it opens up or down. And here is how you do that. If a is greater than 0, we know that the quadratic equation opens up. And this is step number 1. For step number 2, we are going to find the vertex. And here is how you do that. H is given by negative b over 2a. In this case, b is negative 12. So negative 12 over 2 times 2, which is 4. And 2 negatives make 1 positive. So 12 over 4 is 3. And k is given by f of h. In this case, we found out that h is 3. So we are going to substitute 3 in our original equation right here for x. Substitute x with 3 and we get 3 squared minus 12 times 3 plus 16, and that is 9 times 2 is 18 minus 36 plus 16. And if you solve for this, you will get negative 2. And there you have it. The vertex is given by h comma k, and we found out that is 3 comma negative 2. And here is our second step, that we found the vertex. Okay, now the third step, we have to find the roots of the equation. And you can use any of the methods that we have discussed so far. I'm going to use the quadratic equation formula for this example. And the formula is x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. If you substitute all the values, we get b square is negative 12 minus 4 times a times c over 2 times 2. And if you simplify from here, you know 2 negatives make 1 positive. So I have 12 plus or minus 144 minus 128. over 4. 6 plus or minus 2 over 2, which gives us one of the roots is 6 plus 2 over 2, and the second one is 6 minus 2 over 2, which gives us 8 over 2, which is 4, or this is 4 over 2, which is 2. And there you have it. We have the roots of this equation that are 4 and 2. This is what this quadratic equation will look like. We found out 3 steps that it opens up, and then the vertex is 3, negative 2. And we also found out that the roots of this equation are 4 and 2. So here is 2 on x-axis, and here is 4, and here is 3 and negative 2. If you find out on y-axis, and this is 3, this is 2, and this is 4. If you join these 3 dots with a smooth curve, this is what this quadratic equation looks like. There you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe Happy Bug Academy. I will see you in my next video.